What are y'all playing today? An eyeglass thing? That's for the doctor's thing, ain't it? Optometrist.
She is a baby. This is Popo. Popo means bun. Baby. Bun. The baby. Her leg is broken.
What's her name? She hurt her leg?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Lila, the toes for this. The Mr.
The dentist said...
He has a dentist thing.
Isn't it great?
This work? What are all those things? No, I'm going to do that. Hey!
You all need to share.
Do the baby. Owie, 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 owie. Okay, let's press the T. Yay, my favorite part. Wait, hold on, Lila. Let me get a toothpaste. Yep. Oh, that one's good. White. Ah! That's a toothpaste. Yeah. It's mint toothpaste. Let me get a little. Put it in there. Hold on. Get a little. Maybe squish it there. Let's just see the toothpaste. Okay. Hold on. Now let's press the teeth. This is not mint. Oh yeah. It tastes like bubble gum. I know. Okay. Now spit it out. Spit it. Now drink water. Where's water? That's not water. It's not only water. Okay. It's done. Now let's get the tooth out. Let's try to get it out. I got it out. Let. Owie, 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 owie. Hey, that's the floor, not my tooth. There. Let me get a play. I want to play this open now. Now we need what? Play-Doh.
Just